Hello, everyone. On today's IRS tax refund update, as we continue to monitor the latest developments with those ongoing tax refund delays, the IRS has finally released its latest update on the current tax return backlog with some positive signs to report for both e-file and paper filers still waiting on their refunds. So we'll take a look at that. We'll also check in on the current status of those amended returns, as well as recapping the audit situations, including those who filed for EITC, and an overview of accessing those tax transcripts. Now, the IRS has released its latest update, dropping the current backlog of unprocessed tax returns to now 4.4 million, which is a decrease of 700,000 returns since the latest update. So we're finally seeing some significant progress being made. Good news for those e-filers. As we've been reporting previously, the IRS in their latest two updates actually increased the amount of unprocessed e-file returns without an explanation. However, since the last update, the IRS has actually processed 200,000 e-file returns. With the recent increase of e-file returns, it has been harder to forecast when e-file returns would be completed. However, if the current trends continue, the backlog of e-file returns will be completed by the first week of January. Now, for you paper filers, the IRS has processed 500,000 returns since the last update, which is significant, and at the current pace, they will be completed by the end of November. Now, that originally was expected not to be completed until early January, so finally some good news for those paper filers. For those of you waiting on amended returns, another 100,000 of those have been processed in the past week, dropping the total number of unprocessed amended returns down to 1.1 million. Now, the IRS is processing those at a much slower rate than paper returns, and the time frame for completion and current processing rates puts those in the second week of January, just in time for the start of next tax season. Now, as we've been seeing an increase of tax returns under audit, especially those claiming EITC, do keep in mind two tax transcript codes. Code 424 means your return has been set aside for further examination, and 420 is the audit code. So make sure you look out for those on your tax transcripts. Once the audit is complete, you will see 421 audit close code appear on your tax transcript. Now, for those of you still waiting on your refunds and checking those refund status results on the IRS website, tax topic code 151 and 152 will be the ones you will be seeing depending on your status. 151 means your tax return has been received and is under further review, and you could be expecting a tax adjustment or offset as a result. Now, as a reminder, those refund status results on the IRS website do not always have the most up-to-date information, so it is advised to check your tax transcripts for the most up-to-date tax information. For those viewers still wondering how to access your tax transcripts, you will want to go to the irs.gov website as seen here and click on Sign into your account. If you've not created an account already, you want to click on the id.me Create an Account button as seen here. Now, once you've created an account and logged in, this is the welcome page to your account. You will want to click on View Tax Records to the right as seen here. From there, you will want to click on the Get Transcript blue box as seen here on the right-hand side of the page. Now, on the Get Transcript page, you will want to hit the scroll down button and click Federal Tax as seen here, followed by the Go button. From there, you will be able to access your tax transcripts. Simply click on the 2021 tax year as seen here to access the most up-to-date transcript. Let us know in the comments section below about your tax refund issue, including when and how you filed your tax return, and if you plan to do anything different next year. Also, thank you to everyone who has posted in the comments section below. We are reading every comment, and due to the sheer volume of the comments that are coming in, it is taking us some time to respond. But again, thank you to everyone. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.